Hello, class. It's Eric. I just wanted to say hello and provide some important updates to get you through Unit 4 and the rest of the term here. Can you believe that we are in Unit 4 already? It's crazy. The holidays are right around the corner. 2022 is right around the corner. So while we're here in Unit 4, I want to make sure that you are in a good place, that you know what you need to do this week, and that you know how to progress through the rest of the term. So, Unit 4. The big component of this week is your midterm. Please know you have 2 chances to complete your midterm. So we'll take the better of the 2 grades. So make sure you do it twice. If you get 100 on the first try, no worries, you're good to go. But if you don't, take it that second try and get the best score possible. Also, if you hear noises in the background, it's likely my dog's going crazy. But in addition to the midterm this week, you have your discussion board posts and your interactive assignments that you need to complete. I have been really pleased so far with the discussion boards. Some really good interaction, some really good dialogue, but just a couple things to keep in mind with discussion board posts. 1, your initial post should cover each of the prompts that are in the actual instructions for each unit. And then in addition to your initial post, you should be replying to 2 of your peers, and that's on their initial post, not responding to your own post. And those responses should be somewhere in the neighborhood of 3 to 5 sentences. So that's really kind of like the framework for the discussion boards. If you do that, you'll be just fine. But please make sure that you're doing your initial post and your 2 responses. As we move forward with class, you're going to see your journals come back, but your discussion boards and interactive assignments will be a consistency throughout the term. Just know I am here for your success. I am here to support you. I've had some really good conversations via text and via email, via the Ask the Instructor board. So please don't hesitate to let me know if you need anything at all. I am here. Other than that, I just want to wish you all the best of luck. I will probably be reaching out to some of you to see if we can get you caught up with some of the things that you might be missing. But other than that, you're all doing a really fantastic job. So thank you so much for your effort, your engagement in the class, and everything else that has come with these first 3 weeks. It's so exciting to be at this point of Unit 4. And again, please reach out. It's so nice talking to you all, and have a wonderful, wonderful night and a great holiday if we don't exchange any messages before then. Thanks so much. Bye.